Hello there, I'm Robert.
And I'm Vanessa.
And we are late to the party, and it's another edition of
Party Favors.
Good?
Good.
Good. Okay, so Universal Pictures got in contact with us and said, hey guys, you want a box, an M. Night Shyamalan-a-thon box for the release of Glass, which we were actually fans of Glass.
Yes, if you saw our review for Glass, you'll see that, yeah, we gave it high praise, and I really liked the movie, so...
So, I'm assuming that they saw the review and were like, you know what, they were one of the few that weren't talking crap about it. Granted, had big issues with certain things, but they did reward us. And it's funny, because Jurassic World rewarded us by putting us into the Fallen Kingdom Blu-ray.
They laugh and they are surprised. I will sit and watch that for a while, and it's very entertaining. And
Even though we did not like that movie whatsoever.
They were doing that before we watched the movie, and...
So we are going to unbox the box that they sent to us for the release of Glass. All we know is that it's a viewing kit, they call it, so let's see what they have in store for us now.
Oh, it looks like a little fancy box.
It's a big box, and a
That's
nice
pretty-
little note. Yeah, that's a lot of reading, and it says something about, yeah, we know what the movie is about, we understand the inner overseer, Beast in Glass, and yeah, just a lot of information that I don't want to read. I don't want to
It's
read.
in honor of Glass coming out, because Glass actually came out on April 16th, which
Sure.
was Tuesday.
So, we've got the box, and get rid of that box. It's pretty snazzy.
Hey!
This is way too big for us to put anywhere as a collector's item, you know what I mean?
I feel like, even though you can't see it, we probably could fit it up here with all of our other stuff on the top shelf.
Tons of stuff there. So,
Yes.
let's take a look at what's in the box of Glass now. Oh, dang. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got the window that he keeps telling her about, that there is a window and she wants to go see the window. And then when she finally sees the window, it's a picture of a window.
And Hedwig has signed it as well.
Hedwig. Yeah.
Looking in here already, a lot of colors going on in here. So
Yes.
first off, I say we start with the very beginning. My favorite M. Night Shyamalan film of all time.
So as you can see, first off, you have some popcorn, and it's green. So his color shade was green. So that's kind of cool that they had popcorn colored green. And then of course, what's with popcorn without a little movie to go with it? So they did put Unbreakable in it, which is a phenomenal movie, and you should watch it.
Yeah, but I have the collector's edition. That ain't the collector's edition. But
That's
still,
true.
it's Unbreakable on
It's
Blu-ray.
on Blu-ray now too,
Correct.
so that is a good.
And already
Awesome.
right below, it kind of feels like an inflatable, like you would put in the pool, like the vinyl.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, this is
my gosh.
clearly David's overseer poncho, raincoat,
You know what this be good for?
killing people.
Well, that too, but you could totally wear it when you go to Universal Studios for the new Jurassic World ride. Plug.
Yeah, that's true. And it does shamelessly promote that Glass is available on Blu-ray. I wonder if we could just scratch that off and then just walk around wearing David's poncho.
I feel like it would be awesome if it said like the Overseer though.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
I mean, the feel of it too. It doesn't feel like your typical, like dollar poncho from the dollar spot at Target. Like it does feel and smells like you need to inflate it and then go swimming with it.
Yeah.
But that's probably
kinda
not.
cool, though,
that's
too.
probably not good when it comes to David and the Overseer.
No.
Don't take it swimming or anywhere near any puddles.
Boom. Roasted.
Moving on to the next, Split, which definitely came out of nowhere when it came out. Had
Also
no
thought it was a good
clue. No clue the connection to Unbreakable. But yeah, this one just regular colored popcorn. Headphones?
Makes sense because you saw
that's right.
him with headphones.
Of course.
So it does make sense that you get headphones.
Says Glass as well, so definitely promoting their gear. But yeah, sure, we could always use more headphones when it comes to editing because we go through them like crazy, partly just because we lose them all. And Split on Blu-ray, which we did not own, so bringing the collection to the center.
It's always good that I always like to have the collection, so
Right.
that's kind of one of the things we waited not to get split until see if we could get like a collection of them.
Toothbrushes.
I absolutely love the fact, like, okay, I'm gonna open this up a little bit because you guys are not gonna see this here, but they have the names of his identities on them as well, like the main ones. So you got Dennis, and then you got Patricia, and then you have Hedwig, of course, and then Kevin.
So yeah, we are gonna load these in the guest room and
Where's the beef?
freak people out. So moving on to the more recent release, purple popcorn. It smells like popcorn. So the purple popcorn, obviously for the release of Glass, and we've got Glass on Blu-ray now, so we've got the entire collection, and they've given us the fingerless gloves as well. So and a tattoo.
And the tattoo. It's the tattoo that symbolizes the syndicate, and they have the little tattoo on them, so that's cool. It's a little bit bigger than what they had, but that's cool. I like it that you can kind of, if you want, you can put it on your wrist.
I mean, it's definitely cool for Universal to send this to us. It isn't going to sway our judgment when it comes to any of the movies that come out from them, but being that we did enjoy Glass and obviously enjoyed Split and Unbreakable, I mean, it's awesome because we've always, doing this channel, we always wonder, like, when are we going to get free Blu-rays and free movies and stuff from the companies? And this is honestly like the first one that we've gotten from one of the studios.
It's a good first one.
Yeah, I wish we're on that Jurassic World Blu-ray. I wish they would have sent us one of those too. Maybe
They saw our review and they're like, oh.
we were probably already in the cut and you're like, oh damn. But yeah, Unbreakable, Split, and of course Glass. It doesn't matter what you guys thought of it. It was definitely ambitious from M. Night Shyamalan. So to bring that collection together, 19 years it took. And of course, yes, he had that story implemented for a grounded superhero before there was the Nolan trilogy. So,
Yeah.
I mean, he kind of did it first. Granted, even the Nolan trilogy for some did not hit in its final film. So it's kind of hard to take that story and finish it off. But thank you, Universal, for sending this to us. We appreciate it. Definitely gonna go through this popcorn and watch the movies once again.
Yes,
and thank you guys
absolutely.
for watching our unboxing for the Glass Shyamalanathon box.
Yeah, definitely let us know what you thought of all three movies. Which one is your favorite one out of all three of them? I like them all. Obviously, Unbreakable is probably my favorite of all of them.
James
but
Newton Howard,
I
man,
thought that
that story.
Split was a good movie as well as Glass.
Now, you can check out the reviews available on our channel for at least the latter two.
Right.
But thank you guys for watching. You can also like and subscribe.
And did the thing on our Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Stardust.
all the social networking gin joints, you know where they are. Kicking the party, fuel the party, keep the party going on our Patreon. Gets us where we need to go. We will be at Phoenix Fan Fusion on May 23rd through the 26th. We've got tickets to take pictures with Jeff Goldblum, Pee Wee Herman. If you're in the Phoenix area or anywhere in Arizona, be on the lookout for us there. Thank you guys so much, and as always,
Now it's time to say goodbye.
this party is over.
Bye.
Bye.